Is it bad to have my credit pulled at pre-approval? Great question, and a common myth. It is not bad to have your credit pulled. What is bad is applying for lots of types of new debt all at once. That triggers to the credit bureaus that you're trying to max out the amount of money that you currently have borrowed. So when you go into a Banana Republic or a Target or your Black Friday shopping, whatever the case might be, and someone says, do you want this store card? Do you want this store card? Doing those types of things shows, and applying for them shows the bureaus that you're trying to borrow more and more money. If you apply for a mortgage, that is a different type of pull on your credit than a store card or a car loan is. And the bureaus can recognize that it is a mortgage company. So if you have myself pull your credit and 2 other lenders, the bureaus recognize you're shopping for a mortgage. Similar to car loans. If you have one Chase dealer pull your card and another dealership pull your car or your credit, they're going to recognize they're just shopping for a car loan. That's okay. That is not going to drastically impact your credit at all.